Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can set up the two-factor authentication on your Roblox account. So you have a Roblox account that you use to play the game Roblox, and now you're worried about the security of that account, so you want to set up the two-factor authentication to prevent any security breach for that account, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to set up the two-factor authentication for your Roblox account in a very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to set up the two-factor authentication in your Roblox account is open Roblox. Once you open Roblox, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to set up the two-factor authentication for. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you'll land an interface like this. Now from here, in order to set up the two-factor authentication, what you need to do is simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. Then from the drop down menu, go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, you'll land an interface like this. This is the My Setting interface of your Roblox account. So now from here, what you need to do is go into your security settings. Then the first section you'll see will be the two-step verification section. So now in order to enable the two-factor authentication, what you need to do is simply tap on this toggle here. Then once you tap on this toggle, to enable it, you'll have to enter your password of your account. So go ahead and enter your password. Once you enter your password, simply tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, what you'll need to do is download an authenticator app on your mobile device. For example, you can use the Google Authenticator app. Once you download that app, open that app and log into your Google account. Then simply tap on the add button, then tap on the scan a QR button, then scan this QR shown in the screen here. Once you do that, your account will be automatically added in that Google Authenticator app. Then what you need to do is simply enter the code shown there in this text field right here. Once you do that, tap on the verify button. Once you tap on the verify button, you'll see a pop-up window like this here. Now you can select any one of these as your recovery code. So save one of these options as a recovery code, then select I have saved my recovery code button, then simply close. Once you do that, you'll successfully enable the two-factor authentication in your Roblox account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.